Habit 1. Observe before reacting. When something triggers you, don't respond instantly. Pause. Watch your emotions like clouds passing through the sky. You'll realize, most storms die if you don't feed them. Habit 2. Embrace silence every day. Don't just be quiet. Listen. When the world goes mute, your mind starts to speak truths you've been avoiding. Habit 3. Own nothing mentally. Even what you love, you must learn to hold loosely. Because peace begins when you stop fearing loss. Habit 4. See challenges as training. The Stoic doesn't curse problems, he welcomes them. Every test is just life sharpening his character. Habit 5. Detach from praise and blame. Both are cages made of words. Don't let either define you. Do the right thing, not the liked thing. Habit 6. Do one thing slowly. Make tea. Tie your shoes. Fold your clothes. Slowness is rebellion in a world addicted to speed. Habit 7. Remember, you're temporary. Memento mori. Remember death. Not to fear it, but to live while you still can. Habit 8. Help without announcing. Do good in silence. Because real virtue doesn't need witnesses. Habit 9. Expect nothing. Appreciate everything. Expectation is the enemy of peace. When nothing is owed, everything becomes a gift. Habit 10. Face discomfort voluntarily. Sleep without your pillow. Take the stairs. Skip the luxury. It's not suffering. It's freedom training. Habit 11. Don't rush your progress. A tree doesn't force itself to grow faster. It just stands tall and consistent, and time does the rest. Habit 12. Speak less, mean more. Every unnecessary word weakens the power of truth. Habit 13. Practice invisible discipline. The things no one sees. Waking up early, cleaning your space, controlling your tone. Those define your character more than anything else. Habit 14. Forgive your past self. He was doing the best he could with the awareness he had. Growth means replacing shame with understanding. Habit 15. Live like you already have enough. Because when you stop needing more, you finally start feeling peace. Habit 16. Study people quietly. Don't judge them. Learn from them. Everyone is either an example or a warning. Habit 17. Practice negative visualization. Imagine losing what you love. Not to suffer, but to remember to cherish it deeper today. Habit 18. End your day in review. Ask, did I act with wisdom today or with impulse? Awareness creates evolution. Habit 19. Protect your inner circle. Don't let everyone access your peace. A Stoic knows, not everyone deserves a front row seat to your life. Habit 20. Die before you die. Let go of ego, anger, attachment. When you do, you'll finally live without fear. That's the essence of Stoicism. Not emotionless, but unbreakable.